Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your webcam is continuously freezing or crashing on your Windows 10 computer. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, first thing I'd actually recommend doing here would be to open up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best Match comes back with Device Manager here. Go ahead and open that up. If you have your camera already hooked up, there should be a camera section in here. You would double click on it, right click on the device that would come up under there that have the camera driver, and select uninstall device. So there'd be an uninstall device option if you expanded it. So you just would uninstall the device, restart your computer, and then hopefully it would reinstall the drivers if the webcam was plugged in. If it's an external webcam, meaning that you plug it in with a USB port, I recommend unplugging it from the computer and then plug it back in once you've restarted your computer and the drives have been uninstalled. Let it reinstall the drivers, and then hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem, guys. You can also go onto the manufacturer's website and check for driver updates, so you're welcome to do that as well. Something else you can try too, this could be more on the application end of it. If you're having issues with applications using your webcam, if you open up the Start menu and type in Troubleshoot, again, Best Match should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select Additional Troubleshooters, and then you want to scroll down and select Windows Store Apps, troubleshoot problems that may prevent Windows Store apps from working properly, and then select Run the Troubleshooter. And then again, follow along with any on-screen suggestions here. And then you can click on close out of here, restart your computer, and see if that has resolved the problem. So again, restart, and hopefully you should be good to go. Your webcam shouldn't be freezing anymore and should be working properly. So besides there being a hardware issue with the webcam, of course, stuff does go bad after a while, and if it's been damaged, you might need a new webcam, in which case no software tutorial would be able to help you fix that. But pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.